Today we are going to study a case study on Amazon and which is taken from the Philip Kotler marketing management book. Amazon.com, founded by Jeff Bezos in 1995, Amazon.com started as a world's largest bookstore. So earlier it was a bookstore and then they came into the retail e-commerce platform and which is e-tailing now, and ironically owned number of books. Bezos promised to revolutionize the retailing, however, and over the years he has blazed a trail of e-commerce innovations that many executives have studied and companies have followed. So Bezos initially started Amazon as a book selling company, online book selling company, but later on he decided that why we should not go in the retail, and then he continuously studied that segment, that area, and he started doing innovation and became a big giant of in e-commerce platform. Amazon initially set out to create personalized storefronts for each customer by providing more useful information and more choices than found in neighborhood bookstore. So initially they were giving a lot of information, lot of um, user friendly interface, so that they should have lot of choices than a bookstore. Readers could review books and evaluate them on 1 to 5 star rating scale, while fellow browsers could rate reviews for helpfulness. So the review that he used a review tool, so people can use a review of the others, and they themselves they also evaluate, make give the rating out of 5. But the giving review will help to understand the book's importance or the quality of the books. The company's personal recommendation service aggregated buying pattern data to infer who might like which book. So they started collecting information. They have lot of they got a lot of information because they know the customer, they know details, demographic details of the customer, so they have understanding of who likes what kind of book. So that data they got from the statistic analytics. Amazon also introduced its revolutionary one-click shopping, which allowed buyers to make purchase effortlessly with a single click. So they come up with a single click purchasing. Amazon started to diversify its product line in the late 1990s. First with the DVDs, videos, and then with the consumer electronics, games, toys, software, video games, and gifts. So the company started to sell books online, started selling DVDs online, videos online, then consumer electronics online, then games, then toys, then software, and then video games, and then lastly, finally, gift selling over the online platform. The company continued to expand its product offering and in 2007 launched Amazon Video on Demand. So they started, they diversified their product. So they now into OTT platform, Amazon Video on Demand platform or category, allowing consumers to rent or purchase films and television shows to watch on their computers and television. So this allowed customers to rent and purchase DVDs, videos, and films and television shows, and they could also watch on their TV and computers. Later that year, it introduced Amazon MP3, which competed directly with Apple's iTunes and had participation for all the major music labels. So they entered into MP3 audio music industry, and they started competing with the Apple's iTunes. Amazon's most successful product launch was Kindle, its branded electronic book reader that delivered hundreds of thousands of books, magazine, blogs, and newspaper in matter of seconds. So online book reading got disrupted. This book reading got disrupted with the introduction of a Kindle. People started reading books online. reading or listening. As thin as magazine and light as a paperback, the device has been the company's best selling product since 2009. So Kindle is a flagship product of Amazon. Today, you can find virtually anything you want on Amazon.com. The company has successfully established itself as the biggest online retailer in the world by enabling merchants all kinds of sell items on the site. So this Amazon became a number one company in e-commerce platform, and whatever you want is available um, on their platform. um, and they have a mission that they want to become a largest online retail selling company. In addition to its core business, Amazon also runs an associate program that allows independent sellers and businesses to receive commissions for referring customers on the site in a variety of ways, including direct links and banner ads, as well as Amazon widgets, mini applications that feature the company's wide selection of the products. So they started making use of affiliate marketing and referral marketing. Associate can create an Amazon operated online store easily with low risk and no additional cost or programming knowledge. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA takes care of the picking, packing, and shipping the merchant's products to its customers. So now people can put their products on online platform of Amazon, and they can sell their product, and Amazon will make sure of delivery. One consistent key to Amazon's success is its willingness to invest in the latest technology to make shopping online faster. The one consistent key to Amazon's success is its willingness to invest in the latest technology to make shopping online faster, easier, and more personally rewarding for its customers and third-party merchants. So, Amazon is focusing more on delivery, investing in latest technology, and shopping online faster, easier, and more personal, rewarding. So, they are what they are. They have defined their service as online purchase and delivery as delivery in a faster and easier manner. During peak season in 2012, the company said approximately 306 items per second or 26 million items per day. Small wonder that it continually looks for ways to improve delivery. So lot of products are getting sold through this Amazon, and Amazon getting uh, commission for each and every product sold on their websites. For $99 annual fee, Amazon Prime provides unlimited free express shipping for millions of items. So if you pay $100, then your all the deliveries will be free, whatever you purchase. While free shipping and price cuts are sometimes unpopular with investors, Bezos believes they build customer satisfaction, loyalty, and frequency of purchase orders. So it's very difficult when a company survive without after giving free shipping, price cut, discounts, and all those things. Investors were again the free shipping, price cuts, but Bezos convinced that we want to get customer satisfaction, we want to get customer loyalty, we want to get repeat orders. That's why the free delivery and price cut is very important. In 2013, Amazon.com announced a partnership with the US Postal Service to begin delivering orders on Sundays. So this also has happened in the India. Indian Postal Services is working with all the e-commerce platform, including Amazon, to provide delivery. Bezos also predicted on 60 Minutes that the company may use drones in the near future to make same day delivery of the lightweight products within short distance of the distribution warehouses. Now Bezos is thinking that we should use take the help of drones and do immediate delivery within few hours. Critics and this unlikely for many reasons, though, but because of use of drone is not secure, so it has got risk involved in it. Amazon has also maintained competitive and low prices throughout its product expansion. So next big thing is that Amazon is not increasing its products prices. The company understands how important it is to keep its prices low in order to drive the volume it needs to remain market leader and expand geographically. So this Amazon wants to get the benefit of economies of scale. They want to sell the products at lowest price, and they want maximum orders. Amazon's practice of selling books at heavily discounted price, however, has upset some of its channel partners in the publishing, as have its attempt to become a publisher in its own right. So Amazon now is influencing other companies and becoming a world's number one publisher. From the beginning, Bezos has said that even though he started the online bookstore, he eventually wanted to sell everything to everyone through Amazon.com. Yes, first of all, Bezos started this platform as a bookstore, but now they are selling everything to everyone, and regarding every type of product. The company continues to invest significantly in technology, is focused on the long term, and has successfully positioned itself as a technology company with its wide range of Amazon web series. So it has become a initially it was a become a bookstore. Then they become a retailer. They become a e-retailer, and then they be now are technology company. This growing collection of the infrastructure application meets the retailing needs of the companies of virtually all size. This growing collection of infrastructure applications meets the retailing needs of the companies of virtually all size. So they are helping other companies to sell their products online. Amazon has successfully reinvented itself time and again, and created a critical channel for merchants around the world who are able to reach more than 244 million customers worldwide. So they are also helping merchants, shopkeepers to sell their product to the maximum customer, increasing visibility. Now, questions: why has Amazon succeeded online when so many other companies have failed? Because they invested in the technology, they were giving fast delivery, they are customer centric company. Next, will the Kindle revolutionize the book industry? Why or why not? Yes, Kindle will revolutionize the book industry, because earlier we used to carry lot of books, and it is not possible to carry the all the books all the time with you. But Kindle, it if one device if you purchase and if you carry, it has got lot of uh, soft copies of books, so you can uh, read by opening that on Kindle. And Kindle, just one device will store thousands, lakhs, crores of books. So almost you can read books available in library through Kindle. That's next for what is next for Amazon. Where else can it grow? So Amazon is investing in all the technologies, maybe in a car, maybe in a space science, maybe in e-commerce platform, maybe in a delivery, in drone technology. Everywhere they want to this invest to remain the number one company. So thank you so much for watching.